Good morning, team. Ready for another day of adventure?
Always ready, Captain. The ocean is calling my name. I've been building a new sliding ramp for the chicks. Want to see? Can we check the ice conditions first? Safety first, you know.
Good idea, Shiver.
Please help me. I've searched everywhere, but I can't find it alone. My baby won't survive long in the cold.
We'll find it, Marina. Team, gather your gear. This is a rescue mission. Listen up, team. The egg could be anywhere on the ice floes between here and the seal colony. We need a plan. I'll scout ahead on the ice. I'm fastest. I can cover the most ground quickly.
I'll search the water channels between ice floes. If the egg fell in the water, I'll find it.
I'll check all the ice crevices and build markers so we don't search the same place twice.
Excellent plan, Pebbles. Perfect. And I'll coordinate from high points. Stay within calling distance. Move out.
Ice conditions are good here. Wait, I see tracks. Something was dragged across the ice. Could be the egg.
Mark the location. We're coming.
The trail goes into this ice maze.
These blocks shift and move. We could get lost. And we mark our path.
Right, good idea.
I'll check if there's a water route through.
Maybe I can swim underneath.
I found something. There's a cave under the ice, and I saw something round and white.
Well done, Splash. We'll find a way.
Could you see if it's the egg?
It's the right size and color. I have an idea. If I wedge these flat stones here and here, and we all push together, we can lever this ice block up and widen the opening. Push!
Everyone, on my count. 1, 2, 3, push! The opening is wide enough now. Splash, you're the best swimmer. Go get the egg, but be very, very careful.
Don't worry, Captain. I'll treat it like it's made of bubbles. Wait, let me make a soft pouch with kelp to carry it safely. I got it! I got the egg!
Careful, everyone, give him space.
Is the egg okay? Not cracked? Perfect! Not a crack! It's still warm!
We did it! Great work, team, but we're not done yet.
I'll build a carrier that we can pull together.
I'll scout the fastest route back. Follow me!
I'll help pull the carrier. Let's get this baby home. On 3, we pull together. Remember, smooth and steady, no bumps. 1!
Stop! Stop! I hear cracking! We're on thin ice!
Everybody freeze, don't move.
I have an idea.
Brilliant! Everyone, very slowly unhook yourselves. No sudden movements.
I'll swim under and push the sled from below if the ice breaks. I'll use my speed to grab long ice poles from that pressure ridge.
Gently, push gently, easy.
It's working! The sled is moving!
Almost across, almost.
Yes! It's on thick ice! Look! The colony sees us! They're coming to meet us!
Marina! I see Marina! Team, let's bring her baby home!
I'm so tired, but we're almost there. We did it together, all of us.
Well done, team.
My egg, my baby, you found it, you saved it.
We worked together, Marina. All 4 of us.
Thank you all.
Heroes! Heroes! 3 cheers for Captain Waddles! We make a good team, don't we?
The best team. I couldn't have done it alone.
None of us could have. That's the point.
And so the 4 penguin friends slept peacefully, knowing they had saved a life through teamwork, courage, and friendship.